that the hand of Allah is over them. 2 million Israeli people have left Israel. 46,000 businesses have closed. 60,000 businesses are on the way to closure. Mental illness is an epidemic inside Israel. There's friction and chaos everywhere. Reservists don't want to take part in the fighting again. They have to import people from Africa to fight for them. The loss is $85 billion already. Who's winning? You see, the Quran says, "Qad aflahal mu'minun." The believers must eventually win through. Eventually win through. The promise of Allah is always true. Injustice is always destroyed. Oppression is always destroyed. We just got to wait patiently and do what we can for them. If Allah helps you, none can overcome you. If He forsakes you, who is there after that can help you? In Allah then, let believers put their trust.